Assalamu alaikum. I am Jawad Ahmad, and today we are present in our next class on economic systems. The first economic system that we have already covered in the previous class was the capitalistic economy. Capitalistic market, where all focus is only on the rich people, those who have a lot of money will prefer more benefits as compared to those persons that have less incentives on money. The next economic system that we are going to cover in today's class is planned economy, command economy, or simply you say that a socialistic economy. So before we can start this class, kindly subscribe my channel so you can get all my videos on a timely basis. Let's start this class. What is socialistic economy? The name itself reflecting that the most benefit will be given or more benefits or main focus is given to the society or social aspects of the society, means main preference is given to the society, means all those goods and services will be produced that benefit the society as a whole, not a single person. So let's study from notes. An economic system in which government make all important decisions about resources allocation. So simply say that a government owned economy is called socialistic economy, in which all decisions are made by the government keeping in mind the social aspects or social benefits of any society or an economy. So, what do we have studied? Socialistic economy is such economy in which main preference is given to the social aspects of a society. Social benefits of the society as a whole. This is a type of economy that is owned and controlled by government. That is, all the decisions made by government keeping in mind benefits of the society as a whole. Main preference is given to the society benefit as a whole, not the individual benefits. So individual benefits will be ignored and group benefits or benefits of the society as a whole will be given preference. So it means that basic economic problems that was what to produce, how much to produce, and for whom to produce, are decided by the government. What to produce The answer of what to produce will be answered by socialistic economy by observing what are the group benefits of the society as a whole, so that goods and services will be produced that gives the economy or the people benefit as a whole, not a individual person. The second question, how much to produce, will also depends upon the decision of the government. Government decide how much is the necessary of the people and what is the need of the hour. If need of the hour is to produce more and more, then the government uh, will emphasize on the production of more and more of goods. Third, for whom to produce, the society or the government will decide for whom the goods need to be produced, the which sector of the economy needs these goods and services very badly. So, goods and services will be provided to such sector of the economy that requires them very urgently. So, let's study it from notes. Features or benefits of planned economy, allocation of resources, or resolution of economic problems. Government decide what a common good is which should be produced. So government decide which goods need to be produced and which don't need to be. Resources are state owned resources and state decided how to allocate them in production. State decide pricing of factors of production and production means all the firms in the market or all the producers in the market will be price takers, not price makers. Government produces for entire economy through an administrative process. So, what are the advantages of social or planned economy? The social cost of production and consumption are fully considered in economic decision. For example, the factor of pollution is studied in detail. The government decide how much production should be made in order that it cannot affect the society or it cannot create the pollution at such level that cannot be controllable. So such production is only allowed and which generate such limit of pollution that can be controlled from either growing new plants and trees or by using different scientific technologies in chimneys like CNG technology. Second benefit is production is carried on for the need of the society, not for the benefit of a few. It means that group benefits are preferred, permit long-term industrial and social planning forecasting economic stability. It means that when all the decisions are made by the government, there is a high confidence of the people in the government. Therefore, they invest more and more in different sectors of the economies. Though, so therefore, all the long-term plannings are being made in respective of the short-term objectives. For employment level of workforce possible, when government is making the decision, then government will it will be the responsibility of the government to give each person employment opportunities so he can earn livelihood for its family members. The last benefit is less duplication and waste of resources. When government limit the production of goods, then there will be a limit of production that can be produced. So the wasteful competition that already exists in capitalistic market is now covered here. Here you simply say that the disadvantages of capitalistic economy are covered in the socialistic economy and they have become the advantages. So disadvantages of capitalism are covered by socialistic economy. All the disadvantages have been converted to advantages. Now, let's come back to disadvantages of planned economy. Disadvantages of planned economy. There is a limited variety of product as compared to market economy. In market economy or capitalistic economy, all such goods are produced which are intended by the rich people, ignoring the fact that how much they are in demand. So there is limited variety of products in the market because the government control the supply of goods and production of goods. Supply and production control by government. General planning reflect preferences of central planners rather than preferences of the society. It means that all the planning are done by the government and sometimes the society needs are forbidden in socialistic economy, which is a drawback. Consumer have less sovereignty, means consumer choice is given less preference as government take decision for the group benefit rather than the individual benefits or individual choices of consumers. Bureaucratic and so slow to respond to change, need, or technology means due to higher bureaucratic structure, decision making has become complex and takes some time. Therefore, it is a negative aspect of planned economy. Livelihood of likelihood of corruption when government is involved, you see that government operations become complex and there is a higher risk that some government officer will go under to corruption. Lack of profit motive when from main objective is to give more and more benefit to the group rather than individuals, then the profit margin will also ignore here and competition makes the economy inefficient and lack of competition makes the economy ineffective. So this is planned economy that we have studied today. Let's meet in the next class with third economic system, that is mixed economy, which is the combination of capitalistic economy and socialistic economy. Kindly subscribe my channel so you can get all my videos on a timely basis. Thank you for your time.